In today's tutorial, we are going to deep dive into one future of avatar creation software named as VASA-1 by Microsoft.
Res Hilty, don't call me scuzzy, making money, that's my job, celeb photographer. We won't make it all better.
And we are going to deep dive into all the features of VASA-1, how is it going to work. So make sure to stick around with me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. First, let us see what is VASA-1 got to offer to the AI content creators. This basically offers a lifelike audio-driven talking face generated in real time as you were explaining in one simple prompt. Few of the examples.
I would say that we as readers are not meant to look at him in any other way but with disdain, especially in how he treats.
Say you don't want to see this person again. I still think that you should follow up with them.
But you can imagine I have a lot of questions.
Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section. And please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Step 2. Let us see how is it going to work. Now here, you need 3 files. One is a PNG or JPEG file, one single image. Plus, you just need one audio clip. It could be a song, it could be a dialogue, even it could be your own voiceover. Accumulating all this together, VASA-1 will generate a real-time talking head avatar like this.
I'm not surprised, not everything lasts. I've broken my heart so many times I stopped.
So let's deep dive into its framework. How is it going to do it? First of all, it is based on a premium model where we will be getting a better control over the expression, which happen to be the most challenging part so far as avatar creation or talking head avatar generation by AI is concerned. So VASA AI has actually targeted that loophole, that gap, and is going to offer a simplified interface with the best real-time output. If you come downwards, you see different models which have been trained under this particular software and given here. So if you want, you can download as well. In this interface, you just need to upload one single image and upload one single audio, right? Then in the right hand side, you can see there are so many parameters starting from pitch, yaw, roll, pan roll, y-axis wise, x-axis wise, and z-axis wise. Gaze, which side you want the eyes to look at, right, left, and up and down. You can also paste a particular prompt if you want in the box. And then you will go to this TTS option in order to start the TTS synthesis. You can very well see how if we change the parameter on the right hand side, the avatar's expression, facial movement is changing as well. You can zoom in and zoom out by z-axis. Change the way that the direction where the model would look at by yaw and pitch, right? So this is how easy it will be to control, and you can actually real-time see as you control the toggles, how is it going to affect your final output. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part.
大哥今天请我来，可能不光是喝喝酒、吃吃饭，肯定有事儿。
Yo, I'm a paparazzi. I don't play no Yahtzee. I go pop, 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 pop. My camera's up your crotch.
Now on to the podcast that I recommend for older kids. The reason I recommend these for older kids is because the content might not be appropriate for younger kids.
And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.